In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a quarter circle skirt in Valentina. This is your base point to start off. I'm going to draw from the base point going down. For the purpose of the screen being too small, I'm just going to draft a short length skirt, so you can draw it as a long length skirt as well. I'm just going to add is 35 centimeters length. You can add however length of skirt you want. Just for demonstration because the screen is a bit small. So now on that's the length of your skirt, and I'm going to type here as well the same 35 centimeters. Okay, this line is going to be a center front or a center back, and this line will represent your side seam. So now I'm going to use the arc tool, and this is your base point. I'm going to click onto the base point and the pop-up will appear. And on the radius, I'm going to type 2 times, and in brackets, 71 divided by 4, 71 being my waist measurement, divided by 4, plus 2.5 centimeters for ease allowance. Okay, I close brackets, and then I'm going to divide it by pi r. So that's the diameter of a circumference, and that is the set figure that runs along throughout for a full circle, and then that could be 3.142. that is the standard measurement for a pi r. So now I'm going to draw my first angle. That angle being this angle here is going to be 270 degrees. That is going from on this left hand side, and that is going to go straight down and then straight across here. That's vertical and this is the horizontal. So my second angle, the horizontal angle, is going to be 0. Okay, I'm typing that as 0. And then watch what happens. It automatically drew my waistline. This is now the waistline, and that's the measurement and your length of your skirt. So you're going to draw a curve. I'm going to take a curve now, a simple curve. I'm going to draw from this point here, going down to this point. And you remember all your curves must be drawn in a clockwise direction. That's why I'm going from the top to the bottom. And then you're using the tool and your handle, so you carefully draw your curve. That's for your hemline. Okay. The best way to judge it is to use your handle and go straight down, and this point here you go straight across, so you'll get a neat little curve. If you make your curve too pronounced, you're going to have a problem when you hemming your skirt. And now this is going to be your front or your back, it's the fold line, so you must cut in 2, and this is your fold, and this is going to be your side seam. So this is going to be your waistline.